At Dodge Farms again in New Boston, New Hampshire, and they have a nice collection of old tractors and farm machinery. I don't know a lot about old tractors, but it's really fun to look at them. I'm sure people that know more about tractors would be able to tell some good stories about these. And when you think about it, these machines have been a big part of the lifeline and food chain of our country since its beginning. International, and then there's a McCormick Deering. There's a lot of McCormick machines up here. I'll go see what's in that greenhouse up there. More farm machinery. McCormick Deering. And there's another machine up there. That's a pretty good tractor type thing.